In 3, 2, wait, chapstick, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we introduce you to the wonderful world of Latin cuisine. Today's breakfast is Puerto Rican Mallorcas. Come on, let's get started.
Slice, chop, nice spice, hot or mild. We got it, you just name the style. One in a meal, culinary skills, prestigioso, todo queda sabroso.
Growing up in a predominantly Puerto Rican neighborhood, I've never seen a big fuss over breakfast. Breakfast for Puerto Ricans is pretty simple. A lot of times it's just bread and coffee, and those two together. So today I wanted to make for you the ever popular pan de Mallorca. This sweet roll is famous because of a cafe in Puerto Rico called La Bombonera. As of today, this cafe is temporarily closed, but you can find pan de Mallorca in different parts of the island. These Mallorcas are going to be fantastic, buttery, eggy, sweet roll with a nice cup of café con leche. Oh man, you're not ready.
Let's start by combining a 1/4 cup of warm milk and a 1/4 cup warm water. To that, we're adding 1 teaspoon active dry yeast. Mix to dissolve and set aside. In a large bowl, add 3 ounces of melted unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and mix to combine. Add the yolks of 3 eggs and beat until the sugar is dissolved. Now add the yeast mixture to the bowl and mix until incorporated. Lastly, add 2 cups of bread flour and a teaspoon of salt, and mix until the dough comes together. If the dough is too wet, just add more bread flour. The dough should be soft, but not sticking to the bowl or your hands. Dust the work surface with additional flour and begin to knead the dough. Add more flour if necessary. The final product should feel tacky, like touching Scotch tape, but not sticky. Place in a clean bowl, cover with a kitchen towel, and let rise in a warm place for 1 hour. After an hour, the dough should double in size. However, sometimes the area you thought was warm wasn't warm at all, so the dough doesn't rise like it should. But no worries, just find a warmer place for the second rise. Cut the dough in half and then cut each half into thirds. Take each piece, roll into a ball, and then roll into an 18-inch long rope. Starting from one end, wrap the dough into a coil, making sure to tuck the end under the roll. Repeat with the remaining dough pieces. Place the Mallorcas on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Cover with a kitchen towel and let rise again in a warm place. Mine went into a warm oven for about another hour. After the Mallorcas have doubled in size, brush with melted butter. Place in a preheated 375-degree oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're light and golden brown. Allow the Mallorcas to cool slightly, then dust them with powdered sugar. Wow, Mallorca, you are so beautiful. Now take a bite into this cloud of goodness. Oh man. Is there something on my face? Did I get it? Cool. There you have it, Puerto Rican Mallorcas.
Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, smash that like button and click to subscribe so you can stay up to date on all new content. And remember, food can look good, but if it doesn't taste good, then your cooking is in vain. So make it sabroso.